Go ahead. I'm a real super personal about you. I can't believe I'm doing what I'm doing, but it's wrong in my head. Go ahead. Baby, I like how you working it and watching you, you're working it. I'm trying to get you out of this club and get you off my bed. Oh, go ahead. Now let me see that booty work, booty work, booty work, booty work, booty work, booty work, booty work.
Oh, that's pretty good. Very clear too, not distorted at all.
Look, I'm gonna stand over here for you. You got the thing, I'm open to hide. One in the left, listen, I'm on in the right. Come on, let's go. You ready?
Don't you dare slow down. Go longer. You can last more rounds. Push harder. You're almost there now. So go lover. Make mama proud. And when we're done, feel my legs. And when we're done, feel your hands all over me, baby. But you can't stop it. Music still playing in the background, and you